sure to like and subscribe down below, and make sure to leave your favorite DIY in the comments. Oh, and also make sure to leave your feedback on my DIY. What is your favorite DIY? Let's go! Make sure to have adult supervision with this DIY because I don't want anybody getting hurt with this, and I love all my viewers, so make sure to have adult supervision. Let's get this open now. We have a paintbrush, which is really cute. It's red and silver too. We have 2 pounds of rocks. That's a lot of. We got 4 paint colors: yellow, black, blue, and red. You need a cup of water. I have a cup of water, and then you need a scrap piece of paper. Alright guys, it's time to select a rock that I want. So I'll pick this one because it's my lucky rock. Alright, now it's time to pick a color. Alright, so here is my rock. My rock is so cute. Alright, now it's time to select a color. All these beautiful colors dancing around. I'll choose red. You can see red, blue, and yellow. Alright guys, this is the part all of you have been waiting for. Rock painting! Alright, I'm going to take my brushes. I already got it red. I'm going to choose red first. I'm going to swirl this around. Alright, I got my red. Let's tap on this. Let's paint the rock. I'm so scared. Alright, let's paint it right. Alright, next is my favorite color, blue. Should have used blue first, but I like blue. Alright. Alright guys, y'all look at the touches. It's so pretty. I like my rock. I really do like my rock. Alright. Now my paintbrush is back to normal. I'm going to dip it in yellow now. Ooh, yellow got so much paint. Alright, now I'm going to touch this way. And I'm going to use red one more time. Swirl. Let's start. Look at my fingerprint, guys. It's so adorable. My fingers got messy too, guys. Looking fine, rock. Looking fine. Thumbs up for this DIY. I really like it. 2 thumbs up, 2 thumbs up, 2 thumbs up. I really like it. It's really cool. Guys, make sure to suggest DIYs down on the comments because I don't know what to pick. I just pick random things. But sometimes they're actually pretty cool and fun. Okay, guys, this is the finished product of the rock. And make sure to like and subscribe. Again, just like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Guys, I really like this DIY and I think I'll do more later. Just paint more. Oh, and make sure to wait 24 hours for your rock to dry and then you'll see your finished touch. So beautiful. So beautiful. But anyway, make sure to wait 24 hours. Make sure to wait 24 hours for your rock to dry. Okay guys, this is the finished touch of my DIY. I did 2 extra rocks while I was waiting on it to dry off. It looks fabulous. The rocks are so pretty. I love them. Bye everybody!